Have you ever used healing crystal stones before? Maybe you want to try using healing crystal but don't know their significance. Crystal healing is a method used to treat people and their energy structure by setting the crystals on and around the body, which aids in drawing out any negative energy. There are a lot of different types of healing crystal stones which are used for different reasons. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel Make Me Pure International, in which today we are going to discuss about different healing crystals. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon next to it for keep updated about the videos and interesting topic from our channel. So let's start with today's topic, that which crystal is best for what. Today in this video we are going to cover three crystals, which is Citrine, Aventurine and Garnet. So what is citrine crystal? Citrine crystal is the most common type of crystalline quartz. For centuries it has been known for having the healing properties of the sun and protection against snake venom, evil thoughts and heartbreak. Citrine's names come from the French word for lemon, even though these crystals more frequently occur in shades of red to orange rather than yellow. Now, what are the benefits of citrine crystal? Citrine attracts wealth and abundance, known as the merchant stone. Citrine attracts wealth and abundance to wherever it is placed. So carry citrine crystal in your wallet or bag to lure further money into your possession, and place citrine in your safe or cash drawer to invite financial success to your business. Citrine soothes fear and anxiety and instills confidence. Citrine provides relief to those who suffer from fear and anxiety by activating the solar plexus, the seat of the will. Also, this crystal strengthens our self-regard and create a vibrant inflow of energy in and around one's body, giving us a sense of particular power. When you need to feel confident, wear a citrine charm. Citrine will also help you to think more clearly. Now, let's move to the next crystal, which is green aventurine. The name green aventurine is derived from the word aventurine sense. It is a term used for stones that contains tiny glittery metallic sparkle. The sparkle comes from the iron-rich mica called fuchsite. Though it can fluently be mistaken as jade, the composition of both the rocks is fully different. Piecemeal from green aventurine's dark green color, it can also be set up in several other colors like blue, unheroic, red, orange, brown and slate. Now, what are the benefits of green aventurine? Green aventurine is the heart healer. It triggers deep-seated wounds and helps you heal them. Green aventurine healing crystal is also the promoter of well-being and the comforter of overwhelming feelings. The green aventurine green color makes you near to nature. It protects you from all the unnatural dangerous effects in the environment, similar as electromagnetic waves from your TV and mobiles or any other electronic devices. This healing crystal is really helpful for people stumbling with negative feelings and suicidal thoughts and indeed frequent nausea. Now let's move on the next crystal, which is garnet. But before moving to that, I would also like to add some other benefit of green aventurine is that it has the capability to diffuse negative feelings, particularly those that tend to hold the user back in life. In the process, it's not doubtful that you will be met with the inclination to become further of a leader as opposed to a follower. This may apply to the workspace or to life in general. Now, let us explore what is garnet crystal. Garnet is one of the most broad crystal, being capable to be found all over the world. It's extensively recognized by its distinct red hues and give it a really intense fiery look. This look is a result of the stone being an arbiter for energy to inflow throughout, making it a really important stone for those who are looking to harness a burning spirit. This crystal also has a literal purpose, having been at the center of numerous civilizations that have held it up as one of their most prized possessions. Now, what is the benefit of wearing garnet crystal? One of the main physical healing benefit of garnet is its capability to reduce toxin, which can help cardiovascular problems, similar as clots heal when coupled with other medical treatments. The most favorable aspect of garnet for emotional healing is the way in which it can help one stabilize their feelings and in some cases help ease in the pain of things similar as depression. Spiritual health can be the best addressed by promoting emotional stability, making it incredibly favorable for those seeking spiritual enlightenment to first use garnet to heal themselves emotionally. So, my dear listener, there is a lot to tell and discuss about this topic, but we can't discuss everything in one video. Hence, feel free to contact to our counselor on the given number, or you can reach to our website www.makesmepure.com for more information. Don't forget to show your love to our video by liking on it, by commenting and subscribing our channel and pressing the bell icon next to it. Till then, see you in our next video. Have a nice day ahead. Good day. Thank you.